Hello. Mm-mm. What a trade! What a trade! Kode Cortina trade. QML level. Kode Cortina trade. QML level. 8 pips. 8 pips. 838 pips, boys. 838 pips. Multo buying it. From last Friday, I was telling you this is a selling. And last Friday ಬಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಮುಲ್ತುರ್ದು ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಪುನುಂದು you can see ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈದಂದ್ರೆ 800 pips da ಅವ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಕೋಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿನ GBP JPY TP hit ಆತಂದ್ರೆ sorry this is not official TP, it was this one, and now it's all the way back. Okay, I was out here. Okay, I was out somewhere here below this week. It was also a good trade, risk free, and it was a good trade. BTC is falling from the sell area what we mentioned. Okay. ತೂಕ ಐತೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಾದ ಮನ್ಪೊಲಿ ಪಂದ್ let us wait. Hmm? Phone. Phone ಉಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಪ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇತ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, quick one. Give a try. Okay. Give a try, just a try, okay? SL below this. Entry is 4493. Or wait for a green candle to generate. If you are still not in the trade, wait for a green candle to generate, okay? Okay. If you're here, tight stop loss, 20 pip stop loss, very tight stop loss below this, okay? Very tight stop loss, 20 pip stop loss. So the entry price is 4493. Stop loss is 4490. So it's a 20 pip stop loss. Let us see. Target the high. Very risky if it is your first trade, take half lot size. Okay, it's a very risky because it's a tight one. So it's a risky setup, but still take it's a small stop loss, so it's a 20 pip stop loss. It's fine for me with a small risk. I'm risking only $13 here, okay? $13 till it's running. Let's see. If someone is new, who has not taken entry, take a entry and put the same stop loss. You can take a best entry now and put the same stop loss 4490. Okay, 4490 will be your stop loss. So I will make it, if it's a fresh entry, I'll make it 4490 now. So 4490 will be the stop loss. Okay. 4490, make it proper 4490 stop loss. I know stop loss is very tight, but this is what makes you money. When it comes to 1:1, make it book half quantity. If your trade your size is small, make it break even, or if you're satisfied with the profit, just close it. That's it. Okay, official stop loss is 90. You know that 4490 will be the official stop loss. 4490 is official stop loss. Okay, you know that. Hello, bro. Hello, hello. No more entries. If someone is joining now, do not take entry now. Okay, we you had got a best entry with the 13 pips of stop loss. From the best entry, I think this was the best entry when some people came. So I think what was the stop loss for that? It was 15 pips stop loss. So I think you're a bit late, but if you're just joining now, do not take this now. Okay, it's already 1 is to almost came to 1 is to 1. Yeah, the trade is almost 1 is to 1 now. This will be a crazy trade, guys. This will be a crazy trade. If you have taken, this will be a crazy trade because you're risking only 15 pips to make 200 pips if it comes. But still, if you have risked 15 pips, you're making 53 pips now. Already you're making 53 pips. You're in profit. Book partials if you can. Book partials if you can. Book partials. Officially on this trade, huh? Officially, I'm on this trade. I'm risking only $15. I was risking only $15, and I'm making $60 from this now. I risked only $15, and I'm making $60 out of this now. And it is my trade. Okay, I still consider this is a profit now, but still I'm holding. I'm okay to risk that $15 to my TP. Let us see. If this happened, this will be a crazy trade we have taken on live. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 50. Okay, already 50 pips on the pocket. Yeah, 50 pips on the pocket here. So let me mark it. Okay, let me mark it. 50 pips on the pocket. 50 pips. Done. Risk free. Make it risk free, boys. 50 pips done. 50 pips on the pocket. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. 50 pips on the pocket. So make it risk free, boys. 50 pips on the pocket. Make it risk free. Risk free man play, boys. Risk free man play. 50 pips on the pocket. This trade is risk free now. Okay. Yes, yes. పనిలే బ్రో దాదా యో యో పూర పనందుల్లారు దాదా విషయ దాదా పనిలే ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ವೈರಲ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಇರ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುअल ಪುದರ್ ದಾದ ಬ್ರೋ ವಿಷಯದಾಲೆ ಜಂಚಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಉಲ್ಲೆ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಲೈವ್ ಬರೋಂದಿತ್ತ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಜ್ಜಿನಲ್ಲ నేను ಡೆಮೋಟ್ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಂತೊಂದು ಉಪ್ಪುಲೆ ಎನ್ನ ಕೊರ್ಪುನ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಪುಂಡು ಸೊ ದತ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮನ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಡೆಮೋಟ್ ಆಂಡಲ ಬರ್ಪುನ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಲೈವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ದಾಲೆ ಜಿ ಇಂದೆಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮನ್ಪುನ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಅತ್ತೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ತೂವಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂಜಿ 1 hour ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬತ್ತುಂಡು ಅಂದ ಆ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ದ ಲೋರ್ದು ಟಾಪ್ ಪಾಂಡ ಸೊ 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯಾನ್ ದಾದ ಅನ್ಪುನು sometimes the simple things also work. So I risk small to take this trade, but it worked. 1 minute poya. Look, I was waiting for a small confirmation with the green candle when it came to a 50% level. When I'm taking this trade, it is giving me 50 pips already. But I was risking only 15 pips. 15 pips risk monthade. I'm making 50 pips now. Already crossed 50 pips. That is very crazy trade. That means you're losing $15 to make $60, 60 plus dollars. This trade is 1:2 already. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್. ಎನ್ನ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬೇತೆ ಉಂಡು ನಿಕುಲ್ ಎನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೂರ ತೂದಿತ್ತಿನಿಂದಾಂಡ ಐಟ್ ಉಂಡು. ಯಾನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿಕುಲ್ ಪೂರ ಏಪಲ ಬರೋಂದಿತ್ತಿನಿಂದಾಂಡ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಐಕ್ಕಂದೆ ಯಾನ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಮನ್ಪೆ ಬೊಡಿತು ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಝೂಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನ್ಪೊಲಿ ಎರೆಗಾಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಿನಿಂದಾಂಡ ಪನ್ಲೆ ಎನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡಿ ಎಮ್ ಮನ್ಪುಲೆ ನಿಕಲ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದಾದನ್ ಇತ್ತ ನಂಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮನ್ಪುಲೆ ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪಾಡ್ವೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾನ್ ಬೋಡನ ಒಂಜಿ 1 month ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ದೆಪ್ಪೆ ಫ್ರೀಟ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೈವ್. ಅಲ್ಪ ಏರಿಯರ ಒಂಜೊಂಜಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಪೂರ ದೆತ್ತದ ಕಲ್ಪ ಒಂದುಲ್ಲೆಗ ಕುಡ್ಲಾಡು ಇಂಕ್ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು. ಸೊ 1 ಲಕ್ಷದವರ್ದು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಹಿಡ್ದು ನಿಕುಲು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೋಡು ಅಲ್ಪೋಲನ ಕಲ್ತು ನಾಡ್ದು ನಿಕುಲು ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ತಿಕ್ಕನ ಉಂಡತ್ತ ಪೂರಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಉಂಡು ಸತ್ಯ ಪಂಡು ನಾಂಡ ಅಂದ್ ಯಾನ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಮೆಂಟರ್ಡ ಪೋದು ಕಲ್ತದೆ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ಇತ್ತೇರಿ ಯಾನ್ಲ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಾದನ್ ಪಂಡ ಯಾನ್ ಆಕುಲ್ ದಾದ ಕಲ್ಪೊಂದಿತ್ತೆರ್ ಎಂಕಾಂಡ ಉಂದು ಯಾನ್ ತೂತೆತ್ತ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಹಿಡಿತ್ತನತ್ತ ಪಂದ್ ಬಟ್ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಪ್ಪು ಜವನ್ ಇಂಚ ಯೂಸ್ ಮನ್ಪುನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಪುಂಡು ಬೈಸ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕೊಂಜಿ ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ಉಂದೆನ್ ಪೂರ ನಂಬುರ್ಚಿ ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಐಸ್ ಅವು ಪೂರ ಆಪುನು. ಇ ಎಮ್ ಐಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ setups to trade that we are using for that extra confirmation in the ittenada fib undu ante fib retracement use mantin mulpa but aven yan trade entry manperde tonnat trade entry manpere am bete informations la yan use mantade ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡೆ ಫಿಬ್ ದಾದೆಕ್ ಎಂಕ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಕುಡಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ರೆಗ್ ಓಕೆ ಯಾನ್ ದಾದ ಮನ್ಪುನು ಎಂಕ್ ಬೈ ಮನ್ಪೊಡ ಅಣ್ಣ ಎಂಕ್ ಕುಡಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನ್ಪು ಓಕೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆವೊಂದುಂಡು ಎನ್ನ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆವೊಂದುಂಡು ಅವೈ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತ ಬೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಎನ್ನ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರ್ದೆ ಏತ್ ಮಿತ್ ಪೋತುನು 800 pips ಪೋತುನು ನಿಕುಲ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆದ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಡಿತ್ತಿನಿಂದಾಂಡ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ 800 pips. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಂಡ 10,000 ಪಾಂಡ ನಿಕುಲ್ 80,000 ಮಂತುದುವರ್ ಪಂಡ ಕಾಸಡ್ ಪನ್ನಗ ಸೂಪರ್ ತೋಜುಂಡು ಬಟ್ ಅವು ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬೋಡು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮನ್ಪುನ ಬಟ್ ನಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಿಂದಾಂಡ ಒಯ್ಪಲ ಕಾಸು ಪಾಡೋಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡೆ. $80 pips done. 80 pips done boys. 80 pips. ಒಂದು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ತೋಜುನತ್ತ ಮಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮನ್ಪ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ತೋಜಿಜಿಂದ ದಾದಾ ಬ್ರೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ದಾದಾ ಪಾಡ್ನಿ ಬಂದು ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ಪುಜಾರ ದಾದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮನ್ಪೇರ ಪಂಡ ಲೈವ್ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ಗೆ ಏನೊಂದುಲ್ಲಾರಾ ಸೊ ಏನ ಲೈವ್ ಲೈವ್ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ ಏನ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ ಲಂಡನ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ಪುಜಾರ ಪಂದ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಬ್ರೋ ದಾಯಪಂಡ ಯಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೇತೆ ಜಾಬ್ಲ ಮನ್ಪುನು ಪುನಿಡ್ದೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾನ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಲಂಡನ್ ಯಾನ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ದಾದ ಪನ್ಪುನ್ ಪಂಡ ಲಂಡನ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಯಾನ್ ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ಆತ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಂತದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಎನ್ನ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನ್ ಅಂಚ ಐ ಓನ್ ಪಂಡ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮನ್ಪೇರ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅವೇ ನಿಕಲ್ನ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಪ್ಪೋಡು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಲಂಡನ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಮೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮನಿ ಇನ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ನಿಕಲ್ನ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಕುಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮನ್ಪೋಡು. ಸೊ ಲಂಡನ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಲು ಉಂಡು ಏಷ್ಯಾಲು ಉಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ಲು ಉಂಡು ಅಂಚ ಪಂದ್ ಪೂರ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಪಂದ್ ನಿಕುಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮನ್ಪುನತ್ ಅಂಚ ಮಂತೊಂದು ಪೋಂಡ ನಿಕುಲ್ ಲಾಸೆ ಮನ್ಪೋರ್ Fix a time for yourself. Nikul o session trade man put ಬಂದ್ ಅವೇ session nikul master ಮಂತೊಂದು ಪೋಲೆ. Bro, ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಪುನ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ ಅತೆ ಯಂಕ್ I use Vantage. So I have contacts with Vantage and everything. So ದಾದಲ್ಲ problem ಇತ್ತು ನಾನು it is easy for me to solve. So I use Vantage. If you have any problems with Vantage, please DM me. I can fix it for you. The call of the trade was a good one. Sure, bro. ಈಗಲ ವ್ಯಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಂತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ ಬಟ್ ಯಾನ್ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಲಂಡನ್ ಪುನೆದೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಬಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಡ್ ಎಂಚ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಪುನ ನಿಂಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಸೂನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸೊ ಐಡ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಏರನ್ಲ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪುನ ಕ್ಲಿತ್ತನ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮಕ್ ದಾಲ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತನಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೊ ತೂಕ. Yes, I will undo referral and I will not do the Nadapuja, bro. Is the Panundula in Kartaiji, bro? I will undo the referral. I will not do the Nada Puja, bro. That in Kartaiji. Iji, bro, yan Kudlada Tupun, bro. Yan UK Dupunu. But soon toward Dada Pandu. Got to next plan Dada Panda. But I will keep my trading going on wherever it is. I will come live. I will show up live. Show some love. Share it to your friends. Balevatti Kalpuga. Okay, that's it. We will create a community where we will help each other to grow money. That's it. ಸುಶ್ರುತ್ ಈರು ಒಲ್ಪದಾರು ಒಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲು ಅಲ್ಪ ಈರು ಒಲ್ಪದಾರು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ವೈರಲ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಪೂರ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಪುದರ್ ದಾಯ ಪಾಡ್ರ ಪುಜಿ ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಪುದರ್ ದಾಯ ಪಾಡು ನಿಕ್ಕುಲು ಒಲ್ಪದಕ್ಕುಲ್ ನಿಕ್ಕುಲು ರರ್ಜಾನ ಅಂದ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಯಾನಿತ್ತ ಫ್ರೀಟ್ ಮನ್ಪೆ ಪಂಡ್ ಏರೆಗ್ಲ ಬರ್ಚತೆ ಅವೇ ಏರನ್ಲ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪುರ ಕಲ್ಪ ಪಂಡಾನ ಪೋಪೇರ್ ಜನಕುಲ್ ಜೋಕಟ್ಟೆ ಓಕೆ 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 ತೂಕ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಬಣ್ಣ ತಿಕ್ಕಗ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಬಣ್ಣಗ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಲೈವ್ ಮನ್ಪುನ ತಿಕ್ಕಗ ಸೂಪ್ರೋ ಇತ್ತೆ ಈ ಝೋನುಡೆ ಕನ್ಸಾಲಿಡೇಟ್ ಅವನು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ತುಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಂತದೆ ಸೊ ತೂಕ बट स्टिल इट वाज अ प्रॉफिट फॉर अस 80 पिप्स दिन का दिहाड़ी बन रहा है तो मार्केट से एग्जिट हो जाओ I will pray for you and you will be free from all worries. हाँ ओके ब्रो मैक्स टू मैक्स इडे मुट्टा दी ले टारगेट ओ सॉरी इडे मुट्टा दी ले टारगेट निकले बोडित्तनन्नांड बट दिस इज अनरियलिस्टिक टारगेट बट स्टिल दिस इज ओके ओके दिस इज ओके ಒಂದು ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮನ್ಪೆರ್ಲ ಬರು ಪಂಡ್ರವನ್ ಸೊ ಐಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪನ್ಪುನುಂದಾಂಡ ಇಂಚ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ತೂವಲಿ ಇಂಚ ತೋಜಾವ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಒಂಜರ ಸಾರ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮಂತದ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ 1500 ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 10,000 rupees with that. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ವಿ ಭಟ್ ಈರ್ ಒಲ್ಪದಾರ್ ಬನ್ಲಿ ಅವೇ ಇರ್ನಲ್ಲ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬ್ರೋ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒಂಜಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಡೇ ಕನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡೇಟ್ ಅವನುಂಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಂಕ್ ಅವೇ ಎಂಕ್ ಎನ್ನ ಎಂಕ್ ಪುದರ್ ಎಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು ಏನನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮನ್ಪ ಬಂದು ಕುಡಲ ಓಕೆ ಡೈಲಿ ನಿಕುಲ್ಪುರ ಮಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಲ ಕೈಕುಲ್ಪುರ ಎನಡಕೇಂಡ ಮಾರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಉಂಡು ದಾದ ಬಂದು ಸೊ ತೂಲೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಎಂಕುಲು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಯಾನ್ ಆತ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ನಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮನ್ಪುನಕ್ಲೆ ಗಾಂಡ ಡೈಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆವಡು ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮನ್ಪುನಕ್ಲೆ ಪೂರ ಬಟ್ ಹೊರ ಒಂತುಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂಜಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೊ ಡೈಲಿ ತುಪ್ಪುನುಂದಾಂಡ ಅಂದ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಮುಲ್ಪ ತೂವಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅವೇ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆವೊಂದುಂಡು ಬಟ್ ಮೂಲೊಂಜಿ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ತೂವಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಕೊರ್ದು ಹಲೋ ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಅಮೀನ್ ಹಲೋ ಬ್ರೋ ಮಿನಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏತ್ ಮನ್ಪೊಡು ಯಾನ್ ಪನ್ಪೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಇತ್ತ ಒಂಜಿ ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೋಕ್ ಏನ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಂತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಸೊ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ತೂವಲಿ ಉಂದು ಒಂಜಿ ಈತ್ ಮಲ್ಲ ವಿಗ್ಗುಂಡು ಡೈಲಿ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ತೂವಲಿಯಾ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ there are liquidity present in bigger time frame anda undonji liquidity mulponji ittini test taken out itte ಮೂಲೊಂಜಿ ಈತ್ ಮಲ್ಲ present ಉಂಡು ಅಂದ ಇಂದೊಂಜಿ big present ಉಂಡು there are high chance to take this out ate. So for a long term now market ಏಪಲ್ ಎನ್ನಲೆ commodities ದಾದ ಉಂಡ it sell is a short term and buy is a long term. Okay, if you are looking in the commodities for a long term it is always buy. Nikul itneta nikul onji pole previous yanonji pope duka uh okay 12 months ne pattuga. Okay, and this is a 12 months chart now. Sorry boys, ndo nikle tojauji dai panda enna paid at I do not use paid because yan nikle tojondupu. Okay, iti yavitte chart nikle gold itte ಒಂದು 3 months ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಓಲಾಂಡ್ಲ ತಿರ್ತ್ ಬೈದಿಲ್ಲ ತೋಜುನ ಒಂದೇ ಝೋನ್ ಈತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ತಿರ್ತ್ ಬೈದಿನ ಓಲಾಂಡ್ ತೋಜುನ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಇಂಚ ಮುಲ್ಪತ್ತು ಓಲಿ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಬೊಕ ಜೂನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಂದನ್ ಬೊಕ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಂದನ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಂದನ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಮೋಡಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಕೊಲೆಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಏಜ್ ಆಯ್ಲೆಕ್ಕನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ಲೆಕ್ಕನಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಿತ್ತೆ ಪೋಪಿನ್ ಕಮೋಡಿಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so here daily day consolidating in panandar, yes, gold needs to go up only. Okay, enna lekkada prakara gold's direction is it should go up. Okay, daily dite check manpunundana there is a big wig here. Okay, this is a big wig, or this zone should be covered one day. I don't know when, but we need to wait. Okay, this zone should be covered now. Okay, this zone should be covered, but when will it be avu epa cover up panpe. So epa cover up panpe when it breaks the low what I marked here. You see, union break danda, there's a high chance market coming down to 4100 barre gya, but it is just a prediction or barre gya wade. Okay, barre gya, but consolidation undu market. So enna prakara market should fall, market should come down. Okay, market should come down. I think this is a second quarter. Already second quarter started and third quarter market pira correction. Third quarter correction month the fourth quarter kudala all time high popna chances undu dapanda. You do not know it the price inflation atundu panda mastundu nikle toli last year gold the mood aditna that was unpredictable. If people would hold a small position in the low they would make good money. And one more thing, Nicole daily yanite panpunu ಬ್ರೋ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಈರ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಂತೊಂದುಲ್ಲಾರ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಡೇ ಮಂತೊಂದು ಇಂಕ ದಾದ ಗೊತ್ತಜ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪರ್ ದಾದ ಗೊತ್ತಜ್ಜಿ. ಸೊ I do not hold trades. Yan currency pair hold manpe because you know currency pair is like slow for me compared to gold or indices, like compared to like commodities. Okay, currency pair onchuru ಸ್ಲೋ ಉಂಡು ಇತ್ತೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ ತೂಪುನಂದಾಂಡ ಒಂಚೂರು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮನ್ಪೆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮನ್ಪೆರೆಗ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಮ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಯಾನ್ ಪನ್ಪುಂಡು ಮುಲ್ಪ ಏತೆ ಜನ ಉಪ್ಪರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫಿಗರಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಮನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅತ್ತ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ $100, maybe you have a $200. Okay, if someone have $1,000 also, but we are not meant to hold trades with that kind of money. Okay, if you're trading funded account you cannot hold the trades. Okay, the big fish can hold the trade. You know what I'm telling you. Big fish, there are like people who has millions, trillions, they can hold it because they have that capacity to hold. But we should only go intraday. If you're going intraday, I'm telling you, for us, yes, for us is very good. Do not go to one day. Just see what one day candle, like daily candle, is doing. But I'm telling you, if you just go in for 4 hours, see the key levels in 4 hours, and if you mark the key level in 4 hours also, just imagine you got a support and resistance. Okay, I'll show you here. 4 hour on the chart and the 4 hour the chart. ಓಕೆ ಉಂದೊಂದು ಯಾ ಮುಲ್ಪೊಂಜಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಂತದೆ ಓಕೆ ಉಂದು ಯಾನ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಂತದೆ ಓಕೆ ಉಂದು ಯಾನ್ ಏಪ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆತಂಡು ತಿರ್ತ್ ಬೈದು ಮುಲ್ಪೊಂಜಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಂತದೆ ಬೇತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಪೂರ ಪೋದು ಉಂದೊಂಜಿ 4 hour ದ ಕೀ ಝೋನ್ ಆಂಡ ಯಾನ್ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಈ ದಿನರ್ದು ಕಾತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ವೆನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ 26th ಕಾತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಆಂಡ 26th ಕಾತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಬಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬತ್ತಿನೇಪ ಸಾರಿ ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯಾನ್ 4th of ಮೇರ್ದು ಯಂಗ್ ಕಾತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಡೆ ಬರ್ರೇಗ್ ಆಂಡ 4th of ಮೇರ್ದು ಯಂಗ್ ಕಾತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಡೆ ಬರ್ರೇಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬತ್ತಿನೇಪ 20th ಮೇಗ್ 4th so almost it took so many days like 10 plus days to come to my level, but do you have that patience to hold? Okay, of course you have a small capital, you will lose control on your mind and you will start taking some random trades in between ata. So take 4 hours to look at your bias, uh, take 4 hours to mark the key level zones, and when you get that level zones in between, just imagine you got these two zones in between, you want some trade, go to smaller time frame in 1 hour, mark structure shifts or break of structure or choch, the dual choch, whatever it is, mark it. Then after that go to a smaller time frame to take a entry. And if you're a quick scalper, I'm telling you, take take 1 hour as your main time frame. In the place of 4 hour, you take 1 hour as a main time frame to identify the trend. After that, go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes, wait for a change of character or wait for a break of structure, whatever you're trading, wait for a liquidity pool or something like that, and go to 1 minute for confirmation entries. Okay, I know people will tell do not trade 1 minute because it is very risky. Yes, it is risky. You should not trade 1 minute because how quick it gives you the money, that quick it will take you the money. So if you're trading 1 minute, it should be something like this now. Okay, Unyanini corner trade. Okay, Unyanini corner trade. Almost hitting my TP, boys. Let's go, boys. We are hitting TP. That is crazy. Okay, this was the official TP. I think my trade is closed. Get out of this. Get out from this trade. Okay, get out from this trade. We are hitting TP. Let's go. 140 pips on the pocket, risking only 15 pips. 140 pips on the pocket, risking only 14 or 15 pips. Crazy, huh? Okay. If you're trading with a small time frame, this should be your trade. You should master for that. To master 1 minute, you need to trade like you need to start trading currency pairs first. Start currency pair first. So go slow with the currency pair. Master the structure in currency pairs. Then when you master, start trading with 5 minutes or 15 minutes. When you master 5 minutes 15 minutes, then jump into 1 minute. Okay, I'm also not perfect in 1 minute. Okay, but still I'm trying. Okay, whenever I'm trying, maybe I may fail, but keep on doing the same thing. And bro, 5 minutes is the best one, but you need to know bokkonji nikle panpe. Okay, crazy zone, boys, crazy zone. You're still holding, make it risk free, whatever it is. Market is booming from my place. This was my official TP, what I mentioned first, but for us this is enough because I'm out from this market, so I just put it here. Okay, let's see how much it is moving now. The best entry was here, almost 200 pips. This was crazy trade, almost 200 pips. Okay, now you made 200 pips. Endele nikulita 200 pips month da retraded. Okay, nikul risk mantina pips dada 15 pips, boys. You risked only 15 pips. Just imagine the risk management. Okay, trade management tule, risk to reward tule. You are losing 15 pips to make 200 pips. Okay, that is what makes you profitable. Okay, 1:1 will never make you profitable. 1:1 will never make profitable. Lose small, win big. Maybe you straight lose 10 days in a row, but you're losing 20 to 30 pips. But next 10 days you're hitting that 100 pips. You are still 200 pips up. Execute 1.5 minutes. Any time frame, bro. Nicola, it depends on you. Okay, if you want a smaller stop loss, I think 1 minute. Nicola, 15 minutes the stop loss board. Sorry, 15 pips the stop loss board. You should go to smaller time frame. You'll not get that 15 pip stop loss in 5 minutes. Maybe tikku, but it will be for nikle confirmation tikkuji ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡ ಅವಿನ್ಯಾ ಪನ್ಪುನ್. ಓಕೆ ಯಾನ್ ಐಕೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇತ್ತ ದಾದ ಮಂತೊಂದು ನಾನು ಪನ್ಪ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಒಂದು ಫೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮನ್ಪುಜಿ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಐ ನೋ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. Imbalance is filled and market fall down too early. If someone is trading fair value gap, if someone was trading fair value gap, I think this was their entry now. This was their entry now. Huh? And their TP will be this now. Too early, imbalance ittane, took the imbalance, started falling down. This was crazy. It will be a quick scalp if someone is trading fair value gap here in 1 minute. How much did it give from there? 75 pips from fair value, like imbalance in 1 minute. Let's go, boys. Today's trade was OP. We made a great trade. Epalabale, live join Ale. I will try my best to give trades like this. We need to be ready for the stop loss as well and also take profit. But the only thing we need to do is we are risking every day a pennies to make rupees. Okay? ನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಅನ್ನಂದೇನ್ವೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಪೈಸೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮಂತದ್ದು 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮನ್ಪುನನ್ನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್. ಸೊ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮಂತದ್ದು 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮನ್ಪುನ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಂದಾಂಡ ಅಂಚಿನ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ದೆತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ಚಿ ಏರ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತನಲ್ಲ ದೆತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ಚಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ಟಾಟ್ and I am profitable because of him. I will always appreciate. I don't want to take the name. Look at your good mentor. I don't want to suggest anyone because everything ದಾದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ಸ್ ಲ ಸಮ್ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಐ ಸಿ ಟಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆವು, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಮನಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆವು, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆವು, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆವು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಯು. But the only thing works in every trade, only one thing is a profitable roadmap, that is risking small to win big. And because if you're risking small and losing 10 days in a row also will not change anything. And if you're risking like small for 10 days and you're winning big for 5 days, you will be still on profit. I hope you got it. So risk small and win big. Just a question. Overall daily day. Okay, ಅವತ್ತು ಏರ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೇರು. ಸಾರಿ, ಯಾನ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ದ ಮಿತ್ತು ಇತ್ತಿನೇರ್ದೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಂಕ್ ಪಂಡ್ರೆ ಗಾಯ್ಜಿ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏತ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಡು ಅಂತ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೇರು ಏರು ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಅಮೀನ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏತ್ ಮನ್ಪೊಡು ಅಂತ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಯಾನ್ ಇರೆಗ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏತ್ ಮನ್ಪೊಡು ಪನ್ಪನೆ ಕ್ಯಾವಂಜಿ ಪನ್ಪುನು. ಸುರುಕು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮನ್ಪುನಿರ್ದುಂಬು ಲರ್ನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ಪುಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ದಾದ ಪನ್ಪುನು ಡೆಮೋ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಪುಲೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೆಮೋ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂಚನೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಂಡ ಸಿ ಡೆಮೋ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ. But our strategy pass and pan, do not think that you will be profitable. Maybe you are making money in the demo, but when it comes to real, the only thing which gives you money in the trading is psychology. How strong is this? How strong you are? And then if you master any simple trade will also, like simple strategy also will give you money. So master your emotions. You need to have that guts to stay in the trade. You need to have that guts to take the risk. Okay, if you are when the trade is going up and down, your behavior should not change. If you should not be scared, okay, you should be neutral. ఏ పనికులు neutral apara traded, that's the day when you make money, boys. Paper trading, yes. Hello Prajwal. Hello Prajwal. Okay, boys, today's trading is done. We have made a good trade. TP hit and TP smashed. Pura clicks soul mail panundu. Ella tikkaga. LF Friday. So let us see not to take. Let us be profitable for this week. If you had a bad week, Ireganla e week bad ad poditende your PNL is in loss. Do not trade Friday. Relax. Come fresh on next week. ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾನ್ಲ ಬರ್ಪೆ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಎನಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಾನು ಪನ್ಪೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ನಿಕುಲು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಕ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಾನು ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೀಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯಾನ್ ಮುಜೆ ದಿನ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ದೇದೀನಿ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ವೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಿ ಎನ್ ಎಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ that's what you want. So ಏಪಲ ಬಲೆ ಲೆಟ್ us ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಪ್ಪನ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮನ್ಪೆ ಏನ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮನ್ಪೆ ಓಕೆ ಮೈ my goal is to give you a small risk to make a big profit. So that's what we keep on doing. Okay. ಓಕೆ ಏತ್ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೂಕದಾದ ಅಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಜ್ಜಿ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಂಕ್ ಯಂ ಪುರ್ಸೊತ್ತಾನೆ ರಪಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ಪೆ ಓಕೆ ಬೊಕ ಕುಡೊಂಜಿ ಮುಲ್ಪೈನ ಈತ್ ಜನ ಸೇರಿಯಾರು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ DM me on Instagram who were in live. I'm taking a free course. It's not a course, I'm not a guru, okay, anikla guru dalat, but I will teach you it at free and before I make a community so that everyone should know what we are doing. Okay, so let us bring a strong community. Let your friends know, uh like there is like we have a new community in Mangalore who is doing it for free, and we are sharing plans, we are sharing knowledge, and they can be the part of this community as well. Pura klegla ಈ ಲೈವ್ ದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತೆರಿಪಲೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಲೈವ್ ದ ಸೇವ್ ಆತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೇರ್ ಮನ್ಪ್ಲೆ. Maybe there are so many traders in Mangalore, and we can make grow a good community and be a strong community in Mangalore, and trade and learn and help each other to break this matrix. Only at the trade ittane ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೂವಲಿ tap and go. Yes bro. ಮುಲ್ಪೈತೆ ಲೈವ್ ಉಡುಪುನಕುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮನ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಆಪುನುಂದ ಅಂಡ ಈ ಲೈವ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ದೆತ್ತದು ಏನೈಕ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಡ್ ಪಾಡ್ಲೆ ಏನನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮನ್ಪುಲೆ. ಓಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮನ್ಪುಲೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಏಪ 100 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಪುನ ಯಾನ್ ಅಪಗ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಗೊಂಜಿ 5K ದ ಫ್ರೀ ಫಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊರೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಗಿವ್ ಅವೇ. ಸೊ ಆಯ್ನಾತೆ ನಾನು ಪುಷ್ ಮನ್ಪುಲೆ ನಾಲ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತೆರಿಪೋಲೆಕ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಪೂರಕ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ಜನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಾತ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಡೈಲಿ ಮನ್ಪರೆ. ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ trading needs patience. To grow your community also we need patience. Yeah. ಬ್ರೋ ಅವು ನಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಈ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎನ್ನ ಇತ್ತೆ ಪೋದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಪಾಡೋಡು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತೆಪ್ಪೋಡು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಪಾಡೋಡು ಎನ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮನ್ಪೋಡು. ಓಕೆ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1000 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾನಾಗ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ DM me. ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮನ್ಪುಜಿ ಬ್ರೋ. ಐ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ದಾದ ಪನ್ಪುನ್ ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮನ್ಪುನ್ ಯು ನೋ ಐ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ Forex metals CFDs like commodities trade ಮನ್ಪಾತೆ and I trade currency pairs. ಏರ್ಪುರ ಲೈವ್ ನನ್ನ ಉಂತುವರ ಒಂಜಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮನ್ಪವ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ and maybe he has more than 100k in their community, like not like 14k something. Their akala community janoler, they have a good community. Bodithanana, I will put him on Zoom that you can also look at this live. Eregal interest unda? Indian market. Line play. I will try to connect him. Be online, okay? I will try to connect him, okay? Enna undo off uppundu, but be online. I'm still here, okay? Yan aregonji Zoom link da ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ ಕೊರ್ಪೆ Zoom. I will connect him in Zoom. I'm still here, boys. Yan kali Zoom connect mantunulla, okay? Hello, hello. You're mute. You're muted, Jeff. Can you hear me? ఇంకొంచెం పనులే నీకు లైక్ ఆడియోకి ఏనుందా పనులే ఆడియోకి ఏనుందా I cannot hear you, bro.
Can you hear me right now? Hello?
Okay, you're unmute. Just speak.
Can you hear me right
Can
now?
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. Hello?
அந்த ஆர்ப்பாத்தியர்னுக்கேனுண்டா? Okay, your camera is on now.
Can you? Can you hear me, bro?
But I cannot hear you. That's the problem. ஜாஃபாத்தியர்னுக்கேனுண்டா? Wait, let me check. Let me check.
Uh,
Be online.
okay.
Let me play something on YouTube. You can.
Shishir, can you hear me right now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, cool.
I can hear you now.
All right, all right, all right.
Okay, give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'll be back. Give me a sec. Apu, headphone on. I think my screen is visible for you, right?
Yeah, I can see your monitor.
Moita disconnect irna.
You need to haircut. Hello?
What?
I said you need a haircut.
Wait. I need to bro. I had a haircut, man. My hair is growing so quick. Connect charge it. Okay, Jeff, try speaking to me now. I think I can hear you.
Can you hear me right now? Hello? Hello?
You can see my screen, right? It's
I
properly
can see
shared.
your screen. Can you hear me?
Okay, we had a beautiful trade now, and we were waiting for you, but you were busy. Sorry for that.
No worries. No worries, sorry. What was your entry? 92.
So we had this trade. It was 15 pips of stop loss, and we made like 200 pips out of this.
Yeah, what was your entry? 92? 95? I can't see the numbers. Yeah, 92. That was
My
it.
entry was My entry was my entry was 4 4 wait.
4493, I think. That was a banger trade. Beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. So everyone like people were here when we took this, and it was a good one.
It is, yeah.
What do
Well
you
done.
think? Like people have a question like what do you think for the long term gold?
Long term goal for them, you mean?
Yeah,
To provide education for them to understand better market.
yeah,
So we try to just show them how we trade, and then also we have to show them like how to manage the trade properly,
yeah,
because when it comes to the
yeah.
stop loss, so always you have to prepare for the stop loss on this market. So people have to understand we try to not lose on this market. When we try to not lose on this market, profit always available. That's the main things.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. So for now, for now we already had a buy. So what do you think? Will it go up towards our direction?
Yeah, so it's still showing buy, but right now because you guys already on this buy and then you have a nice entry on that thing. Rather, we should wait for another area which I think you are agree with as Asia high broken 85. If we see pullback, 85 would be another nice buy area. Also, I would say 4502 is quite a strong area as well, but gold can break it below easy to 96. So you guys already on this trade, so it's better to wait because we got the stock market in 10 minutes time. We will see some volatility coming in as well. It's better to just watch the price right now, what they want to do. What do you like? What was your idea for any sell soon? Hello?
Okay, my idea for sell was yesterday. My plan for the sell was yesterday.
Yeah.
So you can see my chart. I will show you. I'll show you what it is. Also, I'll show you what it is. So this is my 1 hour chart.
Yeah.
So Jeff, I'm just letting you know. So wait for my conversation to end. I give some time and then speak because I'm hearing from the live stream. I cannot hear you from the laptop. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This is a 1 hour chart. So what I did was like last time when I came live stream, I told people we need to wait for the structure shift. So what happened is like market was continuously falling here. You see, the market was in consolidating here. When it was consolidating, it started falling down. It started making this higher high, higher low. Sorry, lower high, lower low. It started making
Yeah.
this. Yeah. So it started making break of structure here. You see, pull
Yeah.
back. You see, impulse continuation correction. It was impulse continuation correction. It was a very good thing. After that I was waiting for the recent lower high to break, so that will be our change of character. So 1 hour did that, you can see here.
Yeah.
So what did this do? This is the lowest point what I had, okay, and this is the highest point what I had. I have marked this. After that I was waiting for the low to break this place, you can see here. So I'll
Yeah.
show you what I was looking for. I was waiting for this low to break in 1 hour. So once it is break, this is a break of structure for us, a new break of structure. After that I want another correction, so it made a correction here, and I was waiting for this low to break, and we had another break of structure here. So now this was the last low what I had in the market in 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then and this was the last lower high what I had in the market in 1 hour. So I was waiting for this market to break. So once I have when the market is break, I was most interested to buy in this place. You can see I was most interested to buy in this place, most interested to buy in this place. So
Mhm.
what happened is market came to my QML level. So we have three levels here. So this is the easiest strategy I'm telling to people, that when you have these three levels, when you find the last low of the market, when you find the last low of the market, the previous high and the previous low of the market, like internal low, will be the three level for you to buy when the market is giving a change of character. Now where is the change of character? The change of character is here when you have a last low and the last internal high. When it breaks, this is called as change of character, no?
Mhm. Correct. Carry on.
Yeah. So once a change of character is done, what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to mark the level. So one will be my lowest level of the 1 hour time frame, which is like last low what was created, and I will be marking my internal high of that low. Okay, and I'll be marking internal low of that market. Okay.
Yeah.
So once it is going up, what are we going to make? We are waiting for the market to pull back to that level. So it gave very good buy. It gave you two buys. One it gave from the RBS. Why we call this as RBS? We call this as RBS because before it was a support, now it is becoming a
Became
resistance.
a- Yeah. That always created as well. Yeah. Correct. That's on point.
Yeah. So once it is done, once it was done, you could have a buy here. See, it was a clean buy from this level. See,
Yeah.
it was a 900 pips buy from that place.
Yeah. That's crazy.
900 pips. Yeah. So now we have played our first levels. You got three zones. This is a power of three. I call this as power of three.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, like, my first level is played. Now I'm waiting for my second level to play, which is a plus level, where I'm interested to buy in a big lot, where I'm interested to risk my proper risk, like proper risk in, like, I'm not going to take half lot size. Going to take my full potential in that level because I trust that. And what did market do yesterday? It came to my QML level, what I was marking, which was a plus level. From there, markets just touch my level, and it went like
Almost. How many pips?
900 pips.
900. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, it went 900 pips. So understanding this is very important for people, and we do this in our community every day. Of course, Jeff, you do it every day, but now I think we are coming live and we are telling people how to do it. So I'm telling my people around, if you want daily signal, Jeff is here. He has got like 12 plus k people on his community. You can just DM us, me or him, and just join the community, and you can just follow the signals. And it is proven, and we can give you all the proof how people make money in that group.
Yeah, like that. I like the idea. I really like to make some opportunity for the people jumping on the live because when you explain on the live, people understand more. So I really like the idea. At least people have some opportunity to take the place and then learn the education. That's the main things we really need to make the community even bigger.
Okay, there's one person asking in the live, like, what is your YouTube channel name, bro? This what YouTube page, what we have done. It's like, just imagine it's both of them handling this page. Anymore, we both will come live and share you the plans of trading. So we'll have every weekend and weekend sessions where we give you all the plans for the coming week. And if someone is in our community, we will tell them why we sell and buy on that level. So you're not even making that free signal, like, you're not even like, we are giving you free signals every day. But it is not only you're making money, but you should know how you made money. So the next time when we are sending signals, you will be confident enough what we are doing. So that's what we want to do in our community. If people are joining our community, that they need to be like they need to know what our community is doing. Like if someone, just imagine our community is sending a sell or a buy, the people in our community should know, okay, why our community is selling or buying. So that is our intention. And we have there are so many groups in internet, there are so many free telegram group, they are selling signals, but they don't want to sell the knowledge. So we are the only community who is selling signals and also selling knowledge with that, so our community will stay strong for a long period.
Yeah, 100%. So like I would say, and always I will say, even to the team and then to the community, I say like once you learn what we're doing, you will get more comfortable to trade. Once you trade blindly, you will never make money because you have to understand three things on trading: entry price, how to layer. So like we will have a plan slowly to showing the people how to do the layer as well. No, that's the most important things on gold trade: how you layer, how you secure the profit, how you not be greedy. When the market give you the profit, you have to be grateful and take that, because market will be take it back from you easy. So once the person learn those three facts, they will always make profit. You know that very well. We have done many things on this market. We've been burned, we try. We've been burned, we try. And then it's coming all together right now. And then we would love to share with the new people right now. So it's been a long journey, bro.
Yes, yes, that's true. So I know. We know that. If people may see this live, and I gave them a trade which was 15 pips, and they're making 200 pips, it may look easy for them, but you know how many days I cried for my stop loss and blowing my account. You know my hard times as well.
Yeah. How many account we blow? I can't even remember like how many. And then the most important things, we never give up. Whenever we blow the account, we came back,
Yeah.
we try new things. Let's learn more. And it took us like over 4 or 5 years right now to get to that point. We have that ability to send the signals for the community and also teach them how to trade. That's really, really blessing for us and blessing for the new people, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and one more thing, like whoever is watching this YouTube live, please DM us on Telegram. So, if you are interested to learn, we are going to conduct one seminar for them. So, we will tell them how our community work. If you are new to trading, we can guide you to trade first, and also learn to teach you how to trade in the same time. So, it will take some time, but until then, we'll have one-on-one guide. Jeff will be with you. Of course, I'd not introduce Jeff. First of all, Jeff, please introduce yourself that people know who you are.
You introducing me. So I just want to see like how you introducing me. AKA Jeff Dingo, huh? Well, my name is Jeff. So my
Yeah.
nickname my
You
nickname is
can
Jeff
follow him in
Dingo.
his Instagram as well.
Yeah, I've been trading for the past 6, 7 years. And I know Shishi from 4 years ago. And the journey start when I told him like you need to bring this thing because I've
No,
seen the
three,
talent
three,
on
maybe 3 years.
3 years. Because I've seen the talent on this guy. And I told you, you need to learn these things with me. He said, okay, we go through a lots of things. He always make me angry. Always, I just want to make sure he learn properly because I knew he's a smart. I knew he can do that things. And there you go, bro. So we are in good points right now. So we create good talent guy, Shishir. I am so glad you are on that point right now. You can teach people. That's blessing, bro. It's really, really well done to you because you never give up on that things. And I'm so proud of you, bro.
Yeah.
It could be for everybody. Like everybody can learn this
Thank you,
market.
thank you, thank you. I appreciate that.
It just
So,
need to take the time.
yes, yes, yes. The only thing I tell my people, like whoever is watching this, never give up. I think when you're losing or when you're doing a mistake is a day where you learn things, because I have learned so many things and I got that motivations to learn and give my brain to this market is when I blow my account or when I was doing a wrong thing. Maybe you may fail 10 times, but failing 10 times is much better than learning first and trading, because you would fail and you know what you're doing wrong. You have done that mistake so many times, and you know what you're doing wrong. After that you learn things. That is a different thing. And you will, I think that's the thing what makes you a master.
100%. You have to learn your lesson on this market, especially because you have to go through everything. Because whenever you find out your mistake, you will getting better. Like I've seen a lot of traders, they have 1 or 2 weeks good, 3 weeks, 1 month non-stop, they trading well. But once they become in losing a streak, that's the way you have to be up again. So you have to learn to deal with this market when the market turn around. That's 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 the time you need to be on it, learn your lesson and continue. Simple, period. Okay. So this market looks like a juicy today. All right. I can't hear you, bro. Your voice is gone.
Sorry. I hope you can hear me now. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
the thing is, yes, the market now in smaller time frame, in 5 minutes is consolidating, is going sideways. But you ask me which will be my interested area to sell. I think this liquidity, after sweeping this liquidity around, I think this will be the zone for me. It is 4571 to 4595. After 4595 is sweep, and if I get the red candle closing below this, I think there's a high chance of market falling down.
Yeah, 95. That's the area I will mark up for the sell. 70, like I've got 72 to 95. The area gold can come, touch that area, and then it could bring it down once again. Like, but we have lots of way on the way. Market need to get
Yeah.
break that area
But
as well.
yeah, if I check if I if I check the long term and uh, bigger time frame in 4 hours, I think it's still bearish for me, and I it is giving a fake bullish presence. I think still we got liquidity present below 4098. There's a high chance of market coming to 4098. I think in a round figure of like 4000, the market can turn back to a bullish thing. So
Yeah, I have the same idea. Still, overall is bearish because the first liquidity I've had here, market has to touch that thing's 4402. That's the first area. If it's 4402 break, we will see market even go lower. But for now, I would say we might get not from tomorrow, but from next week, we might get that 4402 as well. We have to see how market's gonna go react. But anyway, that's not a big issue because we will trade between. So can you hear me, bro?
yeah, I think it's the first session and we had a good training plan. I know you were a bit late today in the live. Yes, I can hear you. So this is the first day, and today we have already taken an entry before you were joining to the live. I think we will have another live session soon, next week, and we will plan for it. And every weekend we will try to give some knowledge to people and come on the live, and you share what happened in the your community and how many pips did you collect, so people know what our community is doing. So, and they can, if they're interested, they can join our community.
Sure, 100%, 100%. You just tell me when you want to go to the live, and then I'll be there. No problem.
Yes, yes. So now, before we end up the stream, please let me know what was your trades on today on gold in your community, and how many pips did you collect?
Well, the first buy we had at 44.62. That's the first buy we had. And then if you, I don't know if you check my story today, I give the people two big position for today, like free information. I told them like from 78 to 85. That was my first sale area this morning, which is gold respected very well. And then from 78 drop all the way to 58. Then I'll give them the buy from 62. Then I told them like the next area you are looking for the buy, 80 to 85, it should break first strongly. And I'm waiting for the pullback. Then we enter buy at 85. Then we will see market, it came all the way to 45.15. So we get all the buy on the way on this market this morning, and also one sell between. And the only reason why I buy at 62, because 58 it
So
was.
from the
Go
80
up.
82 to 82 to now, you have made like 270 pips, and the sell.
The sell, it was created by 150 pips, and two buy we had, one of them from 62 to 80, and another one from 85 to 4500. So almost we had over 450 pips, 500 pips, 500 pips clean without zero drawdown. So every trade we place it, price didn't even come 20 pips in drawdown.
Okay, Jeff, it was great. Yeah, that was great. Making 500 pips a day, it was great. So
Yes.
we will end up the live stream today here, and see you soon. And thanks for coming, and we will see you every day on the live, and we will share about our community. So have a nice day, and have a nice day, team. ಪೂರಕ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಸೋಲ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪೊನೊಂದು ಇನಿತ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನಾನು ಮುಲ್ಪನೆ ಮುಗಿತೊಂದು. If someone is looking the stream after the stream is closed, just go through all the videos, and if you like to join our community, please DM me or Jeff. My Insta ID is gold ka19, and Jeff's Insta ID is Jeff.
Underscore dingo.
Yes, so you can just DM us. So if you're DMing anyone, it is same. So our community is same. We can guide you. We are here to mentor you one on one. So if you still do not trust us, come every day in live, and you can know what we are doing. Then you can just DM us, so you know what we are doing. So we will show it every day to you what we do.
Period.
Okay, okay, Jeff. See you, man.
All right,
Take
man.
care. Thanks
See
for
you.
coming.
Take care.
See you.
Bye
Ciao,
bye.
ciao, bro. Bye
Go.
bye. Okay, Jeff. See you, man. Take care. Thanks for coming. See you. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye. Okay, boys. Nicole Pura inita live stream 2 year. So, in a friend Panajaf, he's the one who helped me with all the things. I told you, Vantage the broker, the baggela nikle dala problem batananda, he'll help you with it. So he's already is a part of Vantage community. So nikle dala problem itna Jaff will help you with the Vantage problems. He's internally connected to Vantage. So I just wanted to show how niklega panda yan just pana niklega enkla community dada problem batnala aven solve panna janavlu irpande. So Jeff will join us. He is very good in scalping. His community apanda, I'm also part of his community where we send all scalping entries. So if you are interested, please DM us. You know our Instagram ID. So stay tuned guys. Pura kligla bye bye panondu inita trade ನಮ್ಮ OP ಆದಿತ್ತಂಡೆ. We made 200 pips from today's trade. ಎಲ್ಲ meet aka tuka, we will have a best setup, or we will just come live and learn something new. Okay, see you, bye bye, ciao ciao. Swami ಕೊರಕಜ್ಜೆ ಪನೊಂದು ಇನಿತ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನಾನು ಮೂಲೆ ಮುಗಿತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮನ್ಪುಲೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮನ್ಪುಲೆ, ಬೊಕ ಗಂಟೆ ಬೊಟ್ಟುಲೆ ಇಂಚೆನೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊರೊಂದುಪ್ಪೆ. ಬೈ ಬೈ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್.